This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to add claws to your Amigurumi project while crocheting in the round. Our model today is Dante the Dragon. I've included a link to my free dragon crochet pattern in the video description. In this example, I've completed my dragon arm to the end of round 5. In the next round, we'll be adding the claws. Start by single crocheting in the first 10 stitches of the round. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll switch colors as we complete the next stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, and draw up a loop. Yarn over with the next color, leaving a 4-inch yarn tail. Then pull through both loops on your hook. Next, we'll be doing a bobble stitch. Start by making 5 incomplete double crochets in the same stitch. To make an incomplete double crochet, first get your yarn tail out of the way. Make sure you have the working yarn. Yarn over, insert your hook through the stitch, and draw up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. This is your first incomplete double crochet. Repeat the process 4 more times. Yarn over, insert through the stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. So now we have 1, 2, 3 incomplete double crochets. We need 2 more. If we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we now have a total of 5 incomplete double crochets worked inside the same stitch, and we should have a total of 6 loops on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To complete the bobble, yarn over with the original color and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Before completing your single crochet, push that bobble out towards the outside of the work. Then tighten the loop on your hook and complete the single crochet. While completing the 3rd stitch, switch to your claw color. Make another bobble. So I have 5 incomplete double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 loops on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over with the original color and draw through all 6 loops on your hook. Single crochet in the next stitch, pop out the bobble, then complete the single crochet. While completing the 3rd single crochet, switch colors, then make a bobble in the next stitch. Now you can cut the claw color yarn. And if you want, you can cut that starting tail a little shorter as well. Complete the remainder of the limb as your pattern is written. In the next round, work into the bobble stitches just like any other stitch. Now I'm going to show you an advanced technique. When you use the method I just showed you, part of the top of the bobble stitch is visible when you complete the next round. You see that little yellow dot that's visible above the claws. It's nitpicky, but if you're willing to deal with some finicky steps, I'll show you how to eliminate that visible top of the bobble stitch. Complete the stitch before your bobble without changing colors. Pull on your hook to slightly increase the loop size, then remove your hook. Insert your hook through the next stitch and yarn over with the claw color, leaving a 4-inch yarn tail. Draw up a loop and chain 1. Now do 5 incomplete double crochets in the same stitch. Then to finish the bobble, yarn over with the original color and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. Now we're going to feed the loop at the top of our bobble through the loop of our last single crochet. So insert your hook through that single crochet loop, grab the loop at the top of the bobble, and pull the loop through. Then we want to pull on this strand that's running across the back of your bobble. I like to use my hook for this. This is just to tighten that loop from your single crochet back down. Then you're going to pull on your working loop to tighten down the top of your bobble. Then insert your hook back into the loop and tighten this loop as well. Then single crochet with the original color in the next 3 stitches. Loosen the loop on your hook before starting the next bobble. Insert your hook through the next stitch yarn over with the claw color and draw up a loop. Then chain 1, make a bobble, then yarn over with the original color to complete the bobble. Pull the loop at the top of the bobble through the loop at the top of your single crochet. Then pull on this strand on the back of the bobble to tighten the single crochet loop. Then pull on your working loop to tighten the bobble. Then tighten the loop itself. Once you've completed the first stitch after your last bobble, you can cut the claw colored yarn and finish out the round as the pattern is written. You'll see now that the top of each bobble is green instead of yellow, like with the previous technique, and that will eliminate that little bump above your bobble stitches. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!